Your teeth could be grinding themselves away every night without you noticing. Bruxism, the habit of clenching or grinding teeth, is one of the biggest hidden causes of tooth deterioration. Constant pressure wears down enamel, creates tiny fractures, and exposes sensitive inner layers. Over time, this leads to pain, cracks, and even tooth loss. Many people do it during sleep, driven by stress or misaligned bites. Dentists often spot the damage before patients feel it. Night guards, stress management, and proper dental care can slow the destruction and protect your smile before the damage becomes irreversible for long-term health.